morning, everybody. So I've already fed the horses this morning. I've had my breakfast. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, and the van is already loaded up because I loaded it up last night with all of my stuff. And I'm going to take Casper to the beach this morning. Yay! He still looks half asleep. Hi Willow! Have you eaten all your brekkie? Ah, good girl. So now I'm just going to collect up all the buckets, take off their rugs and turn out the horses. And the donkeys. Hello. Oh, you're so cute, Toby. You're so cute. Is the stable door a bit too high? So Casper's all now tied up. He's got a bit of a, don't know what you could call it, a mud line. Where you can see the dirt sort of starts here. I kind of forgot about that because he hasn't worn his rug for ages. I just put his New Zealand on just because it's going to be a little bit chilly, but I didn't want to put his new nice thick rug on because I don't want him to get too hot. Got my brush, going to give him a little groom. Also, his mane has got so long, I don't know why. I think it's because his winter coat's growing through, so he's getting a little bit fluffy. Still looks half asleep. So Casper's now all nice and clean. He's got his tail bandage on to protect his tail, and he's got his travel boots on. I think it's because they're fluffy. They always seem to have like hair and hay stuck to them, but oh well. And Casper's still half asleep. I think it's because it's literally only just turned 7 o'clock. Might be a little bit early for him. Aww. Up you come, Bubby. See you later, Casper. Oh, bye then. Oh, and he's back. Yeah. So we've just arrived at the beach. Don't knock your saddle over. Got Casper's saddle here, all ready to pop it on him. Then let's go for a ride.
Stay well. Deep in your eyes I see the truth. Just take my hand because I won't let go, 'cause I believe in you. Let's share these memories and laugh a while. The things we did at 22. I know we'll find a way to make it right. I believe in you. Whoa, 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 yes, I believe in you. I know your impulse is to chasing after a better view. Together we will take this open road, 'cause I believe in you. Pack up your things because it's time to go. We'll take this highway, me and you. Each morning I wake up and love the way that I believe in you. I believe in you.
Hello everyone, I'm now back from my beach ride with Casper. Obviously you can probably tell I've had a shower, I've put some, you know, comfy clothes on, and I've done some homework on bits and bobs, but now I'm actually getting the guinea pigs shed ready. So in the winter the guinea pigs go in this shed in the winter, which is actually really nice. It's got a lot of space. We built it ourselves, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to set it up. So in the summer they're actually out all year round, and this is their little indoor bit that they go in, just because in the winter in the UK we had snow last year, and when it rains and it gets cold at night it's just not very nice. So here I have all of their toys and bits and bobs, so I need to put that all out. So this is all brand new fresh shavings that I cleaned out quite a while ago. It is a little bit messy, so I'm going to first sweep all of this out, and I'm going to sort out all the stuff under here, because in this box I just have feed and cleaning stuff. So cue the time lapse. So the shed is now nice and tidy, well as tidy as it will ever be, because you know it's a shed and tidy and animals don't go together. But anyway, down here I just have some hay for the guinea pigs, a box with bits and bobs in, and here I actually have 2 boxes of kindling that we just store down here. Then at the back I have the cage that I use when we take them to the vets, just because it's nice and big for when we transport them. And then here I just have some shavings. So by the window here I actually have some fairy lights that I've put up, and they are still working, so that is brilliant. Obviously they are very high up, so the guinea pigs won't be able to reach them, and I'll only have them turned on when I'm in here, but I just think it makes it look so cute, especially when it's the winter and it's dark. So now I'm going to set up all of their toys and hidey houses, just so then it's a bit nicer for them. On this little bridge that we have here, I actually have a nail, because then I can hang their salt licks. They can have a little nibble on that. So I've just put the guinea pigs in their shed for the winter. They seem to be very excited because they haven't been in here since last winter, because tonight's going to be really bad weather, so they're quite excited. They're all moving around and manoeuvring and having a little look around. So should we put you back then, Holly? There we go. So this is the last little overview of what their shed looks like. Obviously they have a lot of floor space, even though it's higher up. I really do prefer it being higher up, just because it means when I'm cleaning out I can reach to all the sides. I don't have to bend down, which is bad for my back and all of that kind of stuff. So it is really nice. They've got a lot of space. A lot of people were concerned that the walls aren't high enough. If you actually go down low, the walls are actually very high. Our guinea pigs don't jump or go up on them or anything like that, so I'm not concerned at all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and this little guinea pig shed tour and organisation. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!